Hello friends, welcome to Online Meme YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see about loan and Girvi management, like how you can manage your loan and Girvi business through the software. So let's start the video. Before that, whatever the names and characters used in this video will be for explanation purpose. So let's start. So here you can see this is the login page of the software. You will be provided with a unique login ID and password through which you can log in into the software. So I have entered my unique login ID and password here. So I'll just click on login now. As you click on login, here opens your software. So this will be the whole dashboard of the software, like from basic to advanced, each and every features are including in this. Like in this video we are going to see about loan and Girvi management. So those panels which are including in the loan and Girvi software, so only those will be covering here. So this will be the main homepage of the software. Firstly, we'll start from the right side. Here you can see very first panel is given of firm. So I'll go to my firm panel. So what will be your very first work is whatever firm regarding details will be there, whatever your shop regarding details will be, you need to enter it here, like your registration number, shop name, firm description, address, city. If you want to fill your bank details, you can also fill up your bank details. Similarly, as an option given, principal amount limit from to principal amount limiter. This is specially for Girvi. Like if you want to set a specific amount of loan you are providing to customers, so that also you can set it from here. Similarly, if you want to upload your logos of the company and owner's signature as well, that also you can do it. Here you can say similarly I have created a firm. I have also uploaded some logos also. So after you create your firm, simply what you need to do is you can select your particular from upper side from in which you are going to do the work. So I will be selecting my firm. Next option will go to the second option, is that is settings. I'll go to my settings option. So what will be my work here? Whatever your daily gold and silver rates will be there, so that you need to set it from here. So whatever rates you set, your rates will get visible at the top of the software in this way. And if you scroll down on the same page, here you can see that on which date what rate you have set it, that also data gets maintained down. So how to set your rates? I'll delete this first. So what you need to simply do is you need to select a metal type, gold, silver, whatever it may be. You can give an ID to it. Let's say today's rate you want to set it as 58,000 for 10 grams and for 100 purity. Means while mentioning, you need to mention 100 purity rates here. So as you click on submit, here you can see automatically with your 24 carats or 22, 20, 18, 16, 14 carats rate get automatically calculated. In other rates, if you wish to make changes, any manual changes in other rates as well, that also you can do it. So we'll go to the home page back again. So I'm going to my home page. Like let's say in what will be a main work from the home page, if you want to directly add new customers loan from your home page, or else if older customer comes again, so you can directly search your older customers by home page only. Like I have entered the older customer's name here. So here you can see in the customer list, my older customer's name get filtered down. Similarly, now let's say I'm adding the new customer's loan. So what I'll do is I will enter my new customer's entry here. If you want to mention their mobile number and all, you can also mention other KYC details as well. Similarly, your finger scan option is given. This is specially for Girvi, like for finger scan. If you want to take finger scan of your customer for verification purpose, or similarly if you want to upload the photo of your customer, that also you can do it. Or the webcam is also given. Directly you can click the photo also. So now we need to add the loan of this customer, right? So what I'll do is here you can see loan options. I'll directly click on my loan panel. So as I click on my loan panel, here you can see my customer has been also get added. Here is a unique customer ID that is assigned to this customer, and similarly my loan and Girvi panel also will get opened here. So very first option here you can see it is given of principal amount, like how many amount of loan you are going to provide to that customer. So you need to put it into the principal amount. Before that, if that customer is giving you any kind of Girvi, so here you can see metal details are given. So here you need to enter your Girvi details. Let's say that customer is skipping, so I'll enter a ring here. How many gross weight ring it is, you can enter the total gross weight of the product, net weight also. And similarly, if you want to mention the purity of the product, you will also mention the purity. And as you click on enter, here you can see automatically by today's rate, whatever I have set it, automatically according to that my valuation will get calculated. If you wish to make any manual changes in the valuation as well, let's say it is now the valuation is 43,500, but I want to set it as 40,000. So I enter directly 40,000 here. That also you can do it. Similarly, here you can see image and picture option is given. If you want to upload image or picture of the Girvi, that also you can upload it from. So 40,000 is my valuation right now. So upon that, whatever amount you want to provide to that customer, you can put that amount into the principal amount. Okay, next the interest option is given, like how you want to calculate the interest. As per monthly, as per annually, you can select it from here. Usually it is monthly, so I have been selecting monthly here. What will be your rate of interest? 1.5. Next, here comes your firm name, it will get automatically setted. Next comes the serial number. Serial number will also get auto incremented. Next will be the packet number, loan or packet number. Similarly, here you can see two options are given, secured and unsecured loan. Like secured loan will come under like whatever girvi you are keeping, and beside behalf of that you are giving the principal amount to that customer, that will come under your secured loan. Similarly, in unsecured loan, what will be on unsecured loan? Like you are not keeping any kind of ornament for security purpose, just giving an amount to that customer, so that will come under your unsecured. So now we are keeping an ornament and giving the amount, so that will come under my secured. So I'll be selecting secured loan here. Here you can see first month interest option is also given, and the checkbox is also given. If I click on this checkbox, this means that you are calculating for whatever the principal amount you are going to give to that customer, you are calculating the first month interest in that only. So if you are doing this, you can check the checkbox here. If not, keep it as it is. I will simply scroll down. Here is an option given for time period. Like if you want to set a specific time period for that customer, you can also set the specific time period. Let's say I'm giving the time period of 6 months. Similarly, SMS template is also given. If you come down, loan item location, like whatever the girvi you have kept, so where you have kept in locker, so you can mention it here. So it is for your information purpose. Now what I'll do is I'll just click on submit. As I click on submit, my loan will get successfully added, and here you can see here my loan has been activated now. If I scroll down, all the information regarding the loan here you can see. What is the total principal amount, what is the interest till date, start date, end date of the loan. Here is the time period, how many time has been passed for the loan, and here is the profit. Like whatever loan you have added. So besides this particular loan, how many profit you have gained, that also will get to shown. Okay, as you add your loan, if you come down here, form number 8 is given. If you want to give a print to the customer regarding form number 8, like regarding this loan you have activated and you have kept this ornament with us, so this kind of form also you can provide it to your customer. This is also fully customizable. If you want to add many details of the customers, photo of the customer, signature as well, that also you can do it in this. Similarly, you can see girvi notice option is given. If you want to provide any kind of notice to the customer, here if you click on girvi notice, so girvi notice also you can provide it to it. Similarly, if you want to provide any kind of agreement, so that also you can provide it from here. So this all will be fully customizable. All the terms and conditions written in this, you can customize on your own. Okay. So now we'll go to the next option, that is update. Here you can see update option is given. Like if you want to update any things in the loan, so you can go to the update section. So I'll just click on update now. As I click on update, here you can see, if you come down, there are multiple options given. Click here to add more items, click here to add additional principal amount, click here to update accounts, and click here to deposit money. All these options are under updates. So first option is click here to add more items. If you click here to add more items, this means that if the customer is keeping more items with you, or else if he want to release this ring and keep the another ornament, so that you can do it from. Let's say I want to release, let's say he's keeping chain with me again, which is of 10 grams. I'll enter the purity and the valuation will get here. So this is the product I have added now. So is this here you can see 2 products are added now. First is chain, a ring is, and another is chain. So now I have kept chain again and I want to release his ring. So I'll just click on release item. So that previous product will get released. Okay. Similarly, if you come down, there are more options given. Click here to add additional principal amount. If that customer is demanding for more principal amount, if you click on this, you can add additional principal amount from here as. Let's say I want to give additional principal amount of 5,000. I'll enter 5,000 here. What will be your rate of interest? You can enter your rate of interest here. And as you click on submit, that additional principal amount will get added. Here you can see interest has been also been calculated here. And if you come down, the total principal is now 40,000 and total interest is 600. Okay. Similarly, if you come down, if you want to update anything in your account, here you can go to click here to update account. And now last option is click here to deposit money. If that customer comes to deposit you the money, you have to simply click on click here to deposit money. Let's say he's depositing me 2,000. I'll enter 2,000 here. From interest, he's depositing me 600. Okay, and I'll just click on simply submit. So my amount will get deposited. Here you can deposit entry has been added here, and immediately you will get a receipt also, deposit receipt. So that also you can provide it to your customers. Now I will again go back to my loan details section. Here you can see in the loan details section, here the green dot is given. This means your loan is activated for this customer, and below that here you can see transfer Girvi option is also given. Like if you want to transfer your Girvi to any kind of money lender, so this is the option where you can transfer it. Okay, similarly here you can see interest option, monthly interest option, and simple and compound interest. Here 3 different options are given. As we seen for 2 different options given, monthly and annually. How you want to calculate your interest as per monthly, as per annually, you can select it from here. Similarly, monthly interest option. In monthly interest option, here you will get 4 different options: full month, half month, weekly, and default. Means monthly interest option means whatever interest has been calculated monthly. So how you want to calculate? As per full month days, means full month it will calculate as 30 or 31 days. Half month, that is 15 days, it will calculate as per 15 days. So weekly it will be calculated as per 7 days, and default it will be calculated as per day wise. Okay, so whatever it is convenient for you, you can select it. Similarly, if you come down, there is an option given simple and compound interest. Simple interest is whatever interest you are calculating right now on this principal amount comes under your simple interest, and compound interest will be if you want to charge interest on interest, so that will come under your compound interest option. This was all your regarding loan section to how to activate loan. So now we'll go to the next step. If you go onto the particular customer's home tab, if I click onto the home tab, on the home tab only you will get to see how many active loans of this customer has been running. So if there is any active loans, if there is any active Udhar, all the details will get shown onto the home page itself. Now if let's say if you want to check each and every customer's details together, so here above side here you can see loan options is given. If I go on to the loan option, here you will get each and every report regarding loan, active loans, how many are your release loans, if you have auctioned any kind of loan, your auction loan reports. Here you will also get a report called loan in loss. If your loan is going in loss, here it will indicate you. Okay, again if I go on to active loans, in a drop down, if here you can see many sub reports are also given. Loan item details if you want to check, if you want to check principal wise, time period expired loan, each and every report you will get it here. So now let's see in active loans, if any customer comes to deposit the amount, you can simply search the name and filter the amount. You can also filter the customer by the mobile number, city as well. Similarly, whatever reports are given here, if you want to take this report in kind of Excel PDF format, in corner here you can see options are given: copy, CSV, Excel, PDF, print. If I one click on any of the format, immediately you will get a report downloaded into that format in this way. Okay, so this is regarding your loan report. So we'll go to the next option, that is CRDR. So here you will also get CRDR option, where you can, if you want to maintain Udhar and advances of the customer, balance and advances of the customer, that also you can maintain it in this. In CRDR option, here you can see the reports that how many active Udhars are there, who all have deposited you the Udhar amount, and who all have given you the advance money, that also report we will get it here. Similarly, I will go to the next option, that is user list. In your user list, you will get each and every customer's list, and even here you can see money lenders. If you have added money lenders list also, you can see it here. So in customers list, what are the customers? If you want to send WhatsApp to any kind of customer, if you have mentioned their number, you can also send WhatsApp to any of your particular customers also. Here you can see WhatsApp icon is given. If I directly click on WhatsApp icon, so here you can directly WhatsApp to that customers also. Again from right side, we'll go to from right side below. Here you can see SMS option is given. In SMS section, if you want to send SMS, bulk SMS to all your customers also, that also you can do it from. Similarly, below SMS, here you can see daybook option is also given. In daybook, whatever day-wise report, if you want to check regarding how many loan you have added, how many additional principal you have given, or who all have deposited you the money, each and every transaction regarding loan, here you can see day-wise. Similarly, if you want to check the same report by month-wise or week-wise, simply you can set your start date and end date here, so you can check your month-wise and week-wise reports. If the video was helpful, please hit a like and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.